of On the Travel Hunt. I'm Jay.
And I'm Lydia.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos of our channel.
And this time our travel hunt brought us to Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. And we stayed here in the middle of December 2021.
This time we decided to check our bags in with concierge before we checked into our room. That way we wouldn't be walking around Vegas with all our luggage.
And the concierge were super nice. They took our bags, put it on this baggage cart. They gave us a ticket and number to call once we got into our room.
In the meantime of checking into our room, we wanted to tour the Miracle Mile shops. We ate at Lobster Meat and Earl Sandwich Shop.
We came back to check into our room at about 3 and the line was super long. It took us about 20 to 30 minutes to check in. This is a tour of our room.
Come on in on the travel hunt with us as we hit the Planet Hollywood Ultra King Suite. Come on in, I'm gonna show you around. First, you're gonna hit the bathroom. Really nice, really upscale, really up to date. When you come in, you got your two big vanities right here, the his and her sink. As you come in here, you have your single toilet. So very private, very intimate in there. And it's got a lot of decor on the walls too as well. You have your big garden tub here, jacuzzi tub here, real spacious. You know, maybe two could fit in there comfortably. And you have your big shower here. Your big shower come in. It's your nice shower head. And you also have a bench in your shower too, so that's pretty cool too. Really nice, really modern, really up to date. As we come out of here, you're gonna come to your closet. Pretty nice, pretty spacious. Have all your essentials, your hangers, your ironing board, your luggage rack. You have a safe in here, and a little drawer in here to keep your personal items too. And it'll do. It's pretty spacious as well. Come over here, come into your living room slash bedroom. You have your king bed, very comfortable, with a nice cushioned headboard. That's really nice. Have paintings on the wall, real big desk area. You set all your things, all your essentials. And let's not forget you have your handy refrigerator in your room too as well. It's already emptied out for you. Really like this lamp right here. Never seen anything like this before. For the actual decor too, it's pretty cool. It goes with the Vegas vibe. TV, LG, it's really nice. Really nice stand, real close to the bed, so really heightens the TV experience. Over here you have a little lounge area. Two chairs, really nice. A table and a lamp. And you have your little lounge couch over here in the corner. After a long day or a long walk in the strip, you come and relax over here. Have your drink right here on this little table right in the corner. Have a good evening. Unfortunately, when we checked into the room, had a little malfunction before us, I guess, and this table was already like this, but hey, you know, it is what it is. It's a nice room. Again, it's the Ultra King Suite, Planet Hollywood. Really nice, really spacious, really makes you feel like home, and it really adds to the Vegas vibe. Now let's get into some pros and cons of Planet Hollywood. First, the pros. Great strip location, great access to the Miracle Mile shops. It's a lot of restaurants and shopping within Planet Hollywood itself, so you really don't have to leave if you don't want to. The bellhop and concierge with our bags. I mean, once we checked into our room, we got to our room, 5 minutes or less, our bags was right there within our room, so that was a plus. We did have a problem with the internet and television on the first night. It was like down throughout the hotel. But once we called, it was able to comp us, I think it was like $30. We could use that anywhere within Planet Hollywood, even room service or down at casinos if we wanted to. The whole setup of Planet Hollywood is very modern, very up to date. And its renovation is very nice. So it's very, very pleasant. Another thing was the check-in and the actual floor of the casino where you go to your room is on 2 different levels, so they made everything easy to navigate. So you really wasn't, having a hard time to find anything. And the best pro of Planet Hollywood was the Rideshare program. The same area you was able to get a ride from, they drop you off from right in front of Planet Hollywood. So it was a good plus, very labeled, and it was just straightforward.
So the cons for me is that they need more kiosks to make check-in a little bit quicker and easier. A second con for me is that the south elevator was hard to find. So I just feel like they need more signage or better signage in order to get back to your room. The last con for me, and the biggest one, is that the salesmen there are very aggressive, the ones outside, to the point where it kind of deterred me from wanting to go outside because I knew I was going to get bombarded by people wanting to sell me something or wanted to sell me a tour sometime of using it most of my time of my trip. So that was a big con for me.
Overall, Planet Hollywood, with the location on the strip, the price point, and just overall modern and renovations they've done to it, it's a great hotel. It's a great starter hotel to Vegas, and definitely get our bang for your buck. Like I said, it's a lot within to do within Vegas and within Planet Hollywood, so you don't really have to leave if you don't want to. But I would definitely highly recommend Planet Hollywood.
Yep. And just look out for our next video on the travel hunt where we talk about the show that we went to while we were in Vegas.